All right, it's Halloween. Fear is our topic of the day. When I say that word, what immediately comes to mind?
Paper cuts. Paper cuts. Like you run at me with a piece of paper, I'm gone. I hate paper cuts. Just got to get through it. Just get through the day. Make it home. No paper in the room. No nothing like that. So get through.
You're very brave.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Anything that scares you?
I fear aggressive drivers. Dying. Not a fan of that, to be honest.
I would probably say losing my phone and my wallet all in one sitting.
That's happened to me.
Can't imagine that feeling.
It's a toughie.
Yeah.
My biggest fear, that I will lose my kids. Like, where'd you go? Dad, you effing forgot me again. I was playing video games, drinking a beer. Put the box on. Hey baby, you got the kid? Yeah, I got him. He's okay. He's right here at my feet playing. I'm playing video games. We're good. And we found him in the kitchen, eating dog food with the dog.
Oh no!
Go Cougs!
I think everybody's afraid of failing and also succeeding. So it's like a double-edged sword.
Failing in the future, or just like failing in general.
Almost fear of success, kind of like imposter syndrome, you know? People might find out that you're not as good as you think you are, or they think you are, so yeah.
I mean, like I said last time, being small. Actually, the other day, I thought like if I did something very illegal and I was sent to jail, like, do they have gyms in jail? That would really suck. And I came out of jail like a couple years, or maybe 1 year later, like not big.
Fear? Well, I fear Republicans. Yes.
It's Halloween, obviously. What's your biggest fear?
Biggest fear is spiders.
Spiders.
I can't stand that shit. Yeah, I can't stand it.
Spiders?
Spiders.
I don't like spiders.
I'd say parasites.
Disappointing my parents. One would be not being like good enough to do what I want to do. And then I'm also scared of those like really big bumblebees, you know, like those furry ones.
Chihuahuas.
Why chihuahuas?
They're so small but yet so vicious, and it just doesn't make sense to me. And they're like ugly to me. That's the best way to put it.
It's like the bees aren't supposed to be fur. It's just a little bit creepy. And the way they fly around like so slow and menacingly, it's spooky to me.
So you wouldn't pet a bee if you had the chance?
Never in my life. Never in my
was
life.
that a bee over there?
No.
Yeah, I think there's one on your shoulder.
No, stop.
I have a fear of heights, but I'm also afraid of chickens, so that's fun.
Chickens?
Yeah, chickens.
Why chickens?
Because if they smell blood, they will continue pecking until like whatever the smell is dead. Yeah.
Spiders.
Raccoons.
Raccoons?
100%. There's some not right about their hands. I don't feel safe knowing that something else has opposable thumbs and can get into my trash cans.
Lately, I would say bears. I really don't like grizzly bears. If I saw one in my house tomorrow, I don't know what I would do.
Every time I take out my trash and I see one of them in my trash cans, it's just, what are you doing in there? What are you going through? Why do you need my social security number? What are you going to find in my trash?
So I'm guessing you haven't visited the bears on campus.
No, I have, but honestly, the cage being there makes it a whole lot different, if that makes sense, you know?
Fair enough. What would you do when you come face to face with a raccoon?
I would square up with that thing. All right, we're getting on the boxing gloves, headgear. I'm going hand to hand with that thing. If I see a raccoon's glowing eyes in the dark, it's gone.
You're going to strike on the opportunity
no.
to take it out?
100%.
Yeah, I mean, at the same time, I also want to give them a hug. That's what makes them so scary, you know? They look so nice, and then out of nowhere, they come at you. So
if you hit it with a car, there's no emotion in there. If you're gonna hit it with a car, it's you gotta fight it hand to hand. You gotta show it who's boss, who's like the why did we evolve to be this way?
Do you have to recruit other people to kill your spiders, or do you do it all by yourself?
No, I'm just against like killing stuff. So
no chickens. Do you eat chicken?
No.
You don't eat chicken?
No.
I mean, I don't like killing them, and so I always have to go through the process like catching them and like throwing them out.
Face to face with a bear, your fight or flight kicks in. What are you doing?
Probably going in for a hug. Yeah.
My daughter will, okay, this is scary. My daughter will walk into a room, she'll wake up like a night terror, but she'll just stand next to my bed and not say a word.
and my daughter's just standing there with her little hair and her little 8-year-old body. I was like, get out of here, go back to your bed. So that's it.
I watched Willy Wonka and like the kid was in the chocolate river and they did nothing, and now I just always think about that, and that's like gonna happen to me.
That's the definition of Sunday scaries, I think.
Ooh, I like that, Sunday Scaries. I'm gonna use that.
Yeah, keep that
Thank
one.
you, Allison.
Can you do a Joker impersonation for us? You have
I've
to.
never watched the movie. That's the thing. I just put on the fit.
My girlfriend said it right. I think that I'm scared of not being young anymore, being old.
Well, you look great. So.
Thanks.
What was your fear?
Spiders.